I was like, whoa.
Pop this bitch into reverse. Oh!
Hello.
There it is. Alright.
Oh.
Dude, I told you I shouldn't be driving this shit. I don't even know what that was.
Yeah, probably, hopefully it doesn't matter.
It didn't like that.
Yeah, I was like, no.
It didn't like that. Oh, you know
it was
what?
like collision detected,
Go.
collision detected.
I let go of the thing, the clutch Johns. There we go, hold on. I hope I didn't fuck.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Fuck. Shit, dude. Shit. Alright. Okay. I'll back it up. I'm gonna back it up.
Alright. Maybe it's time to just stop.
What?
Maybe it's time to just stop.
Dude, I can't keep it like this. Fuck. Fuck. I'm stuck. I can't leave it like here. My dad will kill me if he sees all this shit.
Yeah.
I got it. Fuck, dude. Fuck. What do I do?
He tried going forward? I don't know.
Try going forward. Okay. Go right back, quick. Fuck!
do? What'd you do? Don't shake your head. What'd you do? Spit something out. Come on. You frigged everything up. Why were you even messing with it, Jess?
I was, look, all the brush is here.
Yeah, that's
we had
all
brought
you
it out
had
here.
to
Dad,
do.
no. Dad, I was trying to help.
You were helping. How did you do this?
I used the backhoe. I drove the backhoe, and I was trying to push it.
I told you not to drive it. And look what you do.
I was just trying to help. I was just trying to push the brush, so I was gonna wood chip everything. I was gonna feed it through here, and so everything was done. No, I was.
I never showed you even how to operate it. So
I know, we were learning. We were learning how to do it.
No, you weren't.
I wanted to do it. I wanted to do it, so when you got back,
you
you
idea
see
what you're doing. Like usual, haphazard all the time. And you screw things up. All you had to do was bring that up. Then you crushed the fence too, I just noticed that. I told you not to touch the tractor, and then look what you do. Why? Why? You never have a loss for words, now you do. All you had to do was bring it over here, I would have taken care of it. It's all I asked you to do.
I was trying.
If you were trying, why is this the way it is? All you had to do was drag it over.
We brought the brush. I told you we were trying to be proactive, and I thought if you saw that I was pulling my weight.
You brought it over. You brought it over and stacked it here, but look, you tore the shit out of everything. Didn't I tell you to stay off of it? Because you don't know how to operate it, and especially this thing. You get caught up inside this and chew your ass till you're dead. So this is shot. This is freaking shot.
I was just trying to do something that you would be happy about. I thought if I did even more.
If you just brought that over, all I asked. Last night you vacuumed. I was happy you did that, but look what you did.
Were you happy?
Yeah, I was happy.
I feel like it's never possible to even please you, and I thought this would do it.
No, it is until you do shit like this because you don't think it out. All about you, all the time. Whatever's easiest for you.
I was trying to help.
Did you screw up my tractor too?
No. That, I'm pretty sure here. Look, here's the keys if you want them.
I want the keys. Now what am I supposed to do? I
can fix. I'll try
another job I was supposed to take that to.
I can try and fix it.
You're not going to fix it. How are you going to fix it?
I don't know. I'll look it up. I'll do something online.
No, you won't. You don't have a clue. What happened? Look, you even ran this over. That was your brother's. He made that. For horseshoes. He was going to put it on either end. He was making them. And then you crushed that.
I was just trying to do something that you would appreciate.
Everything's bent the hell up.
I saved it from going over. It almost fell over.
I'd much rather it went over. What's the difference?
I don't even know why I bother. I don't even know. I tried.
No, that isn't the point. It isn't about you bothering. It's about you don't think about it. Have you thought about it?
I thought about it.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I thought about it.
You thought about the easiest way to do it is what you thought about. Right? Right, didn't you? What'd you do, push everything over with a tractor?
No.
You drug everything here.
We dragged everything right here, and then I thought it would make things easier. How would you have done it?
How would
you would have pushed everything, right? We did it all by hand. We were going to wood chip it by hand.
Who piled it all up there? I did. Who did it? You didn't do it.
This is why I don't help.
You wanted to help.
This is why I don't help. Because no matter what I try to do, you always have a problem with it.
All about you, all the time. Now it's all about me. I gotta fix the goddamn thing.
I would help if you...
Now, what are you gonna do?
Go on, let's go.
Yeah, walk away if you screw things up.
You don't want me here. I would help, but you don't want me to.
Because there's nothing you can do.
Whether I help you...
If you thought it out, you wouldn't have done it this way.
Whether I decide to help you or whether I don't. Either way, I fucking lose and everybody gets hurt and I'm just a piece of shit.
No, because you don't think it out. It could have been you that got hurt.
Well, isn't that good that I did it? You don't seem too proud of that. You don't seem to care that I didn't get hurt.
Yourself for doing shit that's stupid. What the hell am I going to do? I got work this weekend with it.
I don't know.
Yeah, I know you don't know. Oh, screw up the side of my house, too. Go in the house, tell me where to have your tape on, too, uh-huh? Yeah.
Do you want us to help?
Nah, you've got enough.